Good morning, children. So today I am going to explain exercise 17. See the first problem. 2 minutes 30 seconds. 2 minutes 30 seconds, that is equal to dash seconds they are asking. Here the question is minutes convert into seconds. Okay, here 2 minutes 30 seconds. First of all you have to convert 2 minutes into seconds. Already you know 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. That is equal to 120 seconds. Okay. So 120 plus remaining 30 seconds they give it. So that is 150 seconds. 150 seconds. Okay. See the second problem. The largest 8-digit number. The largest 8-digit number. The largest 8-digit number in international system they are asking here. In international system. International system. So largest means we have to write down that each digit as 9, and here they are asking 8-digit number. We have to write 9 8s. And it is in the international system. Already you know the rules for international system. Each period consists in 3 digits. That is 99,999,999. See the third problem. 7 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2 plus 5 1 by 4. Here fraction addition is there. Already you know how to add the fractions. Here they given mixed fractions. Mixed fraction means combination of whole and proper. That's why first you have to add all numbers. Here 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 18. So it completes that whole addition. Next you have to take the proper parts. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay. See, for this you have to find LCM for the denominators. Here 4 to 4 LCM is 4 because 2 is a factor of 4. 2 is a factor of 4. So LCM is equal to 4. Now check 4 how many times? 4 will go 1 time, so that is 3 into 1. How many times 2 will go? 2 times, that is 1 into 2. How many times 4 goes? 1 time, 1 into 1. That is 18. You have to carry this 18 as well as above. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 18 plus 7, 6 by 4 is 6 by 4. Observe, this is improper fraction. It is improper fraction. Already you know improper means numerator is greater than the denominator. You have to convert into mixed. 18 plus 4 ones 4 and remainder 2 by 4. Okay, if now you have to add the whole ones. 92 by 4. Here this proper part has 2 as common factor. You have to cancel it. That is 19 1 by 2. 19 1 by 2. First you have to add the whole parts. And next you have to add proper parts. For proper parts you have to take LCM. How many times 4 goes? 1 time. It is 3 into 1 plus 2 times will go. That is 1 into 2 plus 4 1 time. That is 1 into 1. Total it is sum is 6 by 4. It is improper fraction to convert into mixed. That is 1 2 by 4. And 18 plus 1 is 19. 2 by 4. But here 2 and 4 has not in the simplest form. Is not in the simplest form. To convert that into simplest form. Simplest form means if it has any common factor, so you have to cut with that common factor, both numerator and denominator. 2 and 4 has common factor 2, that's why I should cut with 2, that is 1 by 2. See the fourth one, 1 by 3 of a year. 1 by 3 of a year is equal to dash months. You know 1 month is equal to 12 units. 1 month is equal to 1 year is equal to 12 months. 12 months. But here they are asking 1/3 of a year. 1/3 of a year. So that is 1/3 into 12. How many times will go? 4. 1 4 are 4. So 4 months are there. See the fifth problem. Write as decimal. Write as a decimal fraction. They are asking to write as a decimal fraction. Here they given 25 tens and 300ths and 300ths. 25 tens and 300ths. 25 tens. See 25 tens, that is 250. Okay, na? 25 tens means 250. Here they are asking 25 tens and 300ths. So you have to write 25 tens means 250, 300ths means 3 by 100. So this is decimal fraction and write this as in decimal number 250.03. 3 by 100 can express as, already you know 300 expressed as 0.03. So I have to combine those two, that is 250.03. Okay, go for the next sixth problem. Write the smallest possible digit so that 5453 box is divisible by 9. Okay, is divisible by 9. So they are asking to fill the digit, the total number is divisible by 9. Already you know the divisibility rule for 9. Sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. Then it is divisible by 9. 5453 box they give. Add the digits 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. How many what digits they give? So it is a 9, 14, 17. Okay. See how much you should add to 17. It will divisible by 9. If you add 1, it is 18 divisible by 9. If you add 10, it is divisible by 9 also. If you add next 19, it is 36, it is divisible. But they are asking write the smallest possible digit among all these, which is the smallest one. We have to fill that box with the 1. They are asking to write smallest possible digit. That's why we should add 1 to 70. It is divisible by 9. So the missing number is 1. See the seventh problem. What is the successor of the greatest 6-digit number? The successor of greatest 6-digit number. Okay. Successor means just comes after number is called successor. Just before number is called predecessor. How to get successor of the given number? We should add 1 to the given number. First we have to write down 6-digit, greatest 6-digit number. So greatest 6-digit number is equal to how much? 6 9s. So for this you have to add 1. Okay, 1 followed by 6 zeros. You get here 1 followed by, that is the smallest 7-digit number. The successor of 6 greatest number is smallest 7-digit number. See the eighth problem. 90 lakh is dash less than 1 crore. How much is less than 90 lakh than 1 crore? They are asking here. 1 crore. Okay. So much it is 10 lakhs. 90 lakh plus 10 lakh makes 1 crore. Okay. So how much is less? 10 lakh is less here. Okay. 10 lakh is less. See the ninth one. 35,000 more than 35,000 more than 43 lakh 758. Which number comes 35,000 more than that number they are asking here. More means we have to add for 43 lakhs 758. We have to add 35,000. Okay, see 8, 5, 7, 5, 3, 4. So the number is 43 lakh 35,758. Okay, they are asking to find the number. Which number is 35,000 more than that 43 lakh 758. See the 10th question. Complete the pyramid. Complete the pyramid by finding the missing numbers. By finding the missing numbers. By finding the missing numbers. Missing numbers. Okay. See, they given one pyramid here. 6, 3, 3, 7, 1. Okay, 7, 1. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 6 15. 6 plus 10 16. 10 plus 8 18. 15 plus 16 31. 16 plus 18 34. 31 plus 34 how much now? 65. This is the pyramid to complete it. We have to add which boxes that covers that box. Okay, we have to add those two to write that number. So this is the method to finding the missing boxes. Okay, today's class completed. I will send notes. Bye children.